Good HackDuke team. It is your boy Michael Williams presenting the PolMatch app that was developed by a team of Florian Wernthaler, Will Schmidt, Fernando Zapata, and myself. And what this app essentially does is it consolidates political information for essentially mainly local elections, but really any election. And it basically can show the user data such as the candidate stances and like what their donation history is and things like that, just to alleviate political inequality, because we found that it is pretty hard for working class and poor individuals to access a lot of information in a very efficient manner, because a lot of it is somewhat intentionally like obscure to find. So let's just get right into our demo. This is a web app that was designed with a React front end and a Flask REST API backend. And basically, what we would ask the user to do is we just mainly ask them to enter in their location information, and this email address is optional. And then you also would want to enter in the position that you're interested in looking at. So for now, we're going to be looking at the intermediate appellate courts in North Carolina, and this is typed like this because it's the parameter that's put into Ballotpedia, but that could obviously be like refactored into whichever. And when I submit this, we will pretty much do a dynamic web scrape using Beautiful Soup, and this scrape will give us all of the people that are running for an appellate court in North Carolina, and they're set up in pairs of two, which basically like denotes who's running against who, because obviously you're not going to be interested in like an unopposed election. So we're going to click on Trisha Shields, and this will take us to this is a scrape done on the transparency.org website, which basically shows us the contribution history or the donation history of people that donate to a particular candidate. So as we can see, Trisha Shields has received donations from the Democratic Party, from like entities and individuals and things like that, which is pretty nice to know about. And then in addition to that, we also have this survey that you can fill out, and we will use this ideally in the future to match people to candidates that closely align with their views. But that feature is currently a work in progress. And that's pretty much it for our app.